So one of the things that you can do inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic is save out export presets as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the file menu, and then around over here you can see that export is an option. So let me just go ahead and click on it until the export dialog box opens up. So over here, what I can do is I can go ahead and choose the settings according to how I want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and change a few settings right here. So this is what I have, as you can see right here. I got these settings, and now I'm going to go ahead and leave it in subfolder. So let's just go around and say Lightroom right here. So I'm just going to go around and say Lightroom export, just like this. And then this is going to be export to a specific folder, put it in a subfolder right here, just like this. And I'm going to select add to catalog as well. Let's say, for example, so after export, it'll add this photo to this particular catalog. So for existing files, you can see it says overwrite without warning or skip. So you can go ahead and choose this. So I'm just going to go around and say, choose a new name for the exported file, and then over here in the file naming section you can go ahead and then enable rename as well. For example, you can go around and then change to file name and sequence right here, just like this. So this is what you have, and let's say this is going to be let's say, for example, PNG export right here. So this is what I have, and then I'm going to change the image size as 1000 by 1000 pixels, which is what I have. And if the resolution is lower, I don't want to enlarge it, so I'm just going to take don't enlarge. And as I go along, you can see that I got the other settings around over here as well. So watermark, I'm just going to leave it to watermark. And let's say now I want to go ahead and save this out as a preset. So to do that, all you need to do is click on the add button right here. And then it asks for a preset name. So I'm just going to go around and say PNG 1000 as preset name right here, just like this. And I can go ahead and save it out now. So now all I need to do is click on the create button right here, and then I'll use a preset PNG 1000 is created. And that is simply how you can save and export preset right here, and later you can use it to export out your particular file as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.